Read this. Tanungin mo sa akin, what is science?
What is science?
Science is a systematized body of knowledge based on facts and experiences.
Very good. Ano tayo?
Invention.
So, what is invention?
We have
It's a device or tool that makes life easier. So, yun ang invention. Yung something na ginawa ng tao. Ang tao, pag gumawa siya ng something, we call it invention. Pero ang gawa ng Diyos, we call it creations. O, diba? So, scientist, yun yung nag-invent. A person or people who discover new things and research how things work. So, yun ang pag tinanong, we call a person or people who discover, yun yung tinatawag na scientist. Spell scientist?
SC